this is Tim here from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send an email on your Android phone. So we're logged in with our Google account already, so all we want to do is go to the Gmail application. So you might be able to find it under this Google folder right here. Here's Gmail. Otherwise, if we swipe up and we go to search, we can just type in Gmail. And we can find it right here. We can hold down on this now too, and we can add it to the home screen so we can access this easier in the future. Now if we hold down on it, we can see some quick options right here. We can go to compose if we want, and that will allow us to create an email. But we can just click on it right now and we can log in. Now in the bottom right we see compose. Let's go to compose. Now our email address is on the top right here. Now we have to find someone's email address we want to send to under to. So just type it in. So let's just type in some random one right here. Once you type in their name, you have to go to the @ symbol right here, @ now whatever email service they're using. Most people are using Gmail, so gmail.com. Then once you have Gmail in there, you have to have .com. So this will be the correct email now. And not everyone uses Gmail. Some people still use Hotmail and Yahoo or some other one. Once you have their email address in here, we can go on down to the messages. So we might have to press like this button right here to go down. Right here, this little arrow. And you can see this is in here now. Now we can go to the subject, okay? And the subject is going to be showing up in the email. It's just a quick little text describing what's going on in the email. So maybe like greetings party or something. I don't know, greeting party. Greetings party. Okay. Once you have the subject in there, whatever it may be, we are having party. So type in the message you want to send them. And then on the top here, we have this little paperclip. We can go to the paperclip and we can attach photos, camera, files, videos, etc. So we can just go to photos and we can select a photo. So let's select this photo and go to done. You can even do videos under there. Now, if we tap the three little dots here, we can schedule it if we want. So if we don't want to send it right now, maybe like Monday, we can schedule out to send Monday. We can add contacts, etc. So there's some options under there, but this little triangle right here will be used to send. So let's send it. Okay, so it is sent. And we can always check to see if it's sent. If we go to the top left, go to the three little lines, scroll on down, and there should be a category on here for sent. So here it is, sent. So you can see I sent some other messages to myself. Right here, I can just check this out. Sent a picture there to myself. I think I did another video or something. Well, I sent a video here too, an MP4 file. So here's the subject. You can see my subject in there. Greetings party. We are having a party. So very easy to check if it's sent. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.